Today, we're going to be diving into an essential topic, which is 5 red flags to look out for in prop firms. So whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, these tips will definitely help you save time and money. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Now, before we do so, just want to let you know we're going to be doing a giveaway later on, so stay tuned for more instructions on that. So the first red flag that you may want to avoid when it comes to prop firms is what we like to call anonymous teams. When it comes to prop firms, transparency is critical. You want to make sure that the team running the prop firm is professional, experienced, and not afraid of being held accountable. So if you don't find anything on their socials or on their LinkedIn or nothing at all, then this is usually a major red flag. Accountability also matters, and this is why Prop Firm Match requires that every prop firm that lists with them discloses all the members of their operation. Essentially, because you're going to be spending your time and money with these prop firms, you need to know who's responsible. And also, the teams running these prop firms should have experience in the finance sector to ensure they know what they're doing. So here's a tip for you. Always research the leadership of every firm, and if they seem to be hiding something or lacking experience, then it's probably best to move on. So another red flag that you want to look out for is what we call botted reviews or fake social media engagement. You see, fake reviews are actually way more common than you think, and they're usually used to mask bad experiences from real traders. So if you see a prop firm with thousands of overly positive or vague reviews, it's usually a red flag. However, with Prop Firm Match, because each review is manually verified, the risks aren't the same. So here's another tip. When it comes to looking for genuine reviews, look for consistency, as genuine reviews usually mention specific things, while fake ones are just, again, overly generalized and super vague. Another red flag to avoid are prop firms that allow high frequency trading, also known as HFT. So HFT is a very sophisticated strategy that uses complex algorithms to execute trades within milliseconds. And while this sounds very impressive, it actually has quite a few drawbacks. Number 1, HFT takes advantage of latency delays, usually causing unfair trading conditions. Number 2, because of the high demand of resources, HFT trading can lead to overloading servers and causing prop firms to have unfavorable conditions. And lastly, which is the main point, HFT is actually not viable and poses a significant risk to prop firms. As a result, historically, prop firms who offer or allow HFT trading have not been able to achieve sustainability. So what do you do if you come across a prop firm that's offering HFT or high frequency trading? Well, we recommend that you ask very detailed questions. Questions like, how do they support this during evaluations and funded accounts? Because if their answers are generic or vague, or even contradictory, then this again is usually a red flag. Next is aggressive pricing and unrealistic conditions. Here's the thing, beware of prop firms that are offering massive discounts or trading conditions that just seem too good to be true. You see, while steep discounts like 80% off are normal in the futures trading space, in the Forex space, not so much. And it's not just about pricing, it's also about trading conditions. Some prop firms make their trading conditions just way too easy to pass. And you're probably wondering, well, what's so bad about that? Well, here's the thing. If the prop firm is offering really low prices and easy to pass conditions, then they're highly unlikely to be sustainable and maintain payouts. So here's what we recommend. Look for fair and balanced trading conditions, because a credible prop firm is not going to rely on aggressive pricing or unrealistic trading conditions to lure in traders. If it feels too good to be true, follow your gut and look into their business model. Finally, here's the last red flag. Brand new prop firms without strong backing. Now, let me just preface this by saying, there's nothing inherently wrong with brand new prop firms. However, if a brand new prop firm isn't broker backed or running for at least 1 year, then essentially you're taking a very large risk. And the reason is, running a prop firm is very expensive and complex. And without adequate resources, many new prop firms fold within months. And this is why at Prop Firm Match, we only list prop firms that have either been broker backed or running for at least 1 year. This is to ensure stability and to protect traders from fly-by-night operations. So what to do? Well, here's our last tip for you in this video. When you are looking at a brand new prop firm, you want to research the prop firm's history and its partnerships. If a prop firm is brand new and operating solo, then proceed with caution, because you want a prop firm with staying power and not one that's going to vanish overnight. Alright, so here's exactly what you need to do to enter today's giveaway for a free 5K account. You need to like this video, subscribe, and comment which one of these you think is the biggest reason to avoid trading with a prop firm. Now, it's important you keep these tips in mind because it'll help you protect yourself and help you find firms that would genuinely support your trading goals for the future. So there you have it. Those are the 5 flags in today's video. Now let's just do a quick recap to help us understand exactly what we discussed today. First, we had anonymous teams. Then we had bottle reviews or fake social media engagement. Then we had high frequency trading. Then we had unrealistic trading conditions or aggressive pricing. And lastly, we had brand new firms without strong backing. Now it's your turn. Have you encountered any of these red flags? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful or useful, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs this advice. As always, thanks for watching and trade smart.